Good morning, dear students. Again with a new lesson, but this time far-fetched from the grammatical structures to vocabulary, especially unit number 7, sustainable development. So, what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Which means that we have to guarantee a bright and reassured future for the next upcoming generations. So I repeat again, as you can see, sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present, that should people take advantage of human as well as natural resources of the present without risking, compromising means to put at risk or to put in danger the ability of the future next generations to meet their own needs. So basically, sustainable development is to create a balance between what is economic, what is ecological or environmental, and what is social. So here we have what is economic, what is ecological or environmental, as well as what is social, society. So, as illustrated here, sustainable development is to take care, if we might say, of what is environmental, social, economic, environmental or ecological. Okay. So, to take care, if we might say, of what is environmental, all countries, all people around the world should not exhaust the environmental or the ecological natural resources by creating alternative, what we call alternative energies. So here we're going to start with what is ecological is number 1. By protecting the environment, governments, international organizations, as well as civil societies have thought of bringing alternatives, of bringing other options to protect for the protection of the environment by creating alternative energies, which are number 1, solar energy, as you can see in the on the TV. So those are types of solar energies. This one is wind energy. And the last one, as everybody knows, water energy. So all these alternative energies are also called renewable energies. So those are some of the collocations that students have to be aware of. Alternative energies are solar energy, number 2, wind energy, and 3, water energy. We can call them alternative energies or renewable energies. Good. So another way of protecting the environment is to stop what we call deforestation. So this is a negative. So this is a negative phenomenon, which is deforestation. It should be stopped. So this is one initiative, which is the national initiative for the sustainable development or the human development. Good, so let's explain some of the vocabulary related to sustainable development. Good. So number 1, we have sustainable development. 2, environment sustainability. 3, economic growth. And 4, social justice. And as you can see, all of them are related to the 3 elements of sustainable development. And we have some definitions related to each one of them. So, sustainable development is B. What is it? It's improving the quality of life for the all people without using up the natural resources. And what we mean by natural resources, it means gas, water, oxygen, fuel, petrol, and other metals, and of course forests. People must protect these natural resources. Good. 2. Environment sustainability is A. We should use the natural resources wisely. So what is environment sustainability? Is a wise use of natural resources and protection of the environment. 3 is economic growth or economic progress. So we should, as an international community, to progress economically speaking without again compromising or exhausting the environmental resources. So what is economic growth? Is having a balanced economic growth and with the guarantee of employment or more job opportunities. The last one, but not least, is social justice, is where we have to fight poverty, illiteracy, ignorance, unemployment, which is a social progress or the development of the whole society which meets the needs of everyone. And here will take us to another topic, which is social equality, or more equality between the members of equity between the members of society. So to wrap up, here we have a list of collocations related to the vocabulary of sustainable development, and we're going to match each one of them to what is environmental, what is economic, and what is social. So, the first one is water pollution. That's an environmental issue or an environmental problem. So some of the problems that the whole globe suffer from is water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution. So if we're going to match water pollution with environment issues. Poverty elimination. It's a social issue as well as an economic issue. Climate change, the change that happens to the climate due to or because of pollution or global warming. That's an environmental issue. Social justice is to create a social balance between all the classes of the society. So social justice, that's social issue. Energy preservation or the protection of energy, that's environmental and economic. More jobs, more job opportunities. Governments, societies are responsible of creating more job opportunities for all the members of society.